what's reasonable to think how much and for how long you're going to be receiving alimony? What do we do? Where do we start with? Well, let's start with the number of years that you're married. If it's 20 or less, you're not going to get alimony more than the term of your marriage. You're married 12 years. You're not going to get any alimony past 12 years unless there's exceptional circumstances. You're married 4 years. You're not going to get any alimony past 4 years except if there's exceptional circumstances. That's the main premise, starting with that. The second thing you want to look at is the income, the ability to pay, and the need of the individuals. For example, there may be a time in a short-term marriage where the need is only a short term. You only need a short amount of time. Figure it out. How much money do you need? How much time is going to be then used to support the individual and get them back on their feet? The concept of alimony is based on the lifestyle of the marriage. So the determinant factor, first, I think, and foremost, is going to be the number of years of the marriage. The other aspect is the need. That's a big factor that's used in determination of alimony. Look at the number of years of the marriage, look at the incomes, look at the assets and the debts. That's your basic premise. That's where you're going to start with. And yes, that's a big involvement of a lot of separate issues. You need at that point an experienced attorney who can say to you, listen, you're married for 12 years. I don't care what you say. You're not getting alimony for 15. It doesn't work that way. The law says this. Be careful of the lawyers that just yes you to death and say anything that tell you anything that you want to hear. The lawyer should tell you what their recommendation is of the law as applied to the facts in your case. I'm a partner here at the family law section of Wiener Lesniak. I can answer your questions for you, and I can proceed with you to see if I can help in some manner.